Good morning, everyone. Welcome to this 10:30 early presentation, which has always, most of the time, a small audience. But anyway, we can talk and have discussion a little bit afterwards. This is just running information in automatically. I'm presenting today in a short manner a project which is driven by the German Printing Media Industries Federation and its associate Deutsches Institut Druck, which is a community of suppliers, and they are associated to our association, and they are also funding this project. The project is about screen printing technology in many industries, because the awareness of the application of screen printing technology in many different ways is not so much around in the public reception. Even print specialists or print people from the print sector do not know very well about all these applications and all these developments going on. And so we decided to set up a platform, an internet platform, a forum which shows examples in different industries, in different applications, from, let's say, automotive area to the printed electronics or printed circuits, which is a very classical and traditional area of applications, up to household and also, of course, advertising. We have not a sharp discrimination between graphic screen printing and technical functional screen printing, because there are some kind of overlaps, but the focus is on technical functional screen printing, and this is to make more alert of all these applications, all these markets, and all these possible developments which are still going on. Some of them are top secret in the automotive industries, for example. If you get some big players, they are using screen printing technology very much, but this is a closed shop. You cannot get much information about that. Also in medicine application, and many other areas. So we have this platform, and it is an offer. On this platform, it's an offer to get involved, to get in your own examples. If you are a screen printer or a screen printing manufacturer, equipment manufacturer, and have some interesting or new examples of application, you are invited to put it on this website. There is a special entry area where you can put in text and images and kind of stuff, and this will be allocated to a certain area, to a certain sector, and reviewed by an editorial team, and after that it's uploaded and it's shown on the platform. So we will have as much as possible a broad information about the whole topic, and this is to show that there are some very special things, even up to food. You can also print chocolate or some marzipan or some other things in very special areas, and this is unique compared to other printing processes. And this is what we want to show and want to stimulate also people, not only potential customers from different industries, but also people coming new into the industry, educational purposes, for technicians, for schools, for universities, etc., to get information in all to that area. That's the aim of the project. And the project is just right started now, yesterday or Sunday evening or so. So it's incomplete. It's just work in progress. I apologize for any shortcomings at one or another point, but we are working on that, and it enriches by getting in new examples, new application examples, and this is the value of the project and of the initiative. Okay, that's what I can show you. I can also go into the website a little bit. So we have the area of functional screen printing, which is the most important, yeah, and therefore it's focused, but also some graphical screen printing, and we have basically information about these areas, and then we have the main part of applications, and these applications are segmented in a number of industries, of areas, which are shown here. There's electronics, there's power engineering, there are home appliances, and all things in the household or in-house applications. Also information, communication, medicine and life sciences, automotive, logistics, that's a very important part. Then the food products are already mentioned. Security printing, identity cards, all that kind of things. There's also in some areas screen printing processes involved. Toys and sports equipment, there's a broad application of products from bicycles to skis to all kind of equipment. And the big area of textile, also technical textile printing, also fashion, and many other things, up to the packaging and to the label area, which is also an interesting and developing and also with a lot of innovation market. So if we go to these areas and we go to, for example, hopefully there is enough in it already, to the automotive logistics sector. Yeah. The internet is not that fast, but somehow we get it. So we have some examples here, you see, which are shown here, including some special applications like three-dimensional printing, also for parts and for things like that, or other things in the automotive production area, displays, all kind of things, bicycle and so on. And if you are going to one of these examples, you can get some detailed information about the process and about the used technology. In this case, it's rather brief. We have also some other examples with more information on it. We can go back maybe to this one. Okay, so it's saying something about, this is not translated by now, it's still in German, about the adhesives used in this display production, and why the screen printing process was used rather than another process. This is also given as a in many times it's the film or the ink or the substance thickness of the layer, because this could be especially achieved in screen printing technology. And there is a general information about the mesh count or the frame or the transfer method or substrate and the printing paste, which is not only ink This is a regular printing substance, but it's also all kind of material, including metal and many other things. And so this is also with a function here where you can look into the registry of providers, and there are just a few default entries by now. So there are some providers from the industries saying what they provide for printing form and for other material. There will also be a list of providers, service providers, screen printers doing that special production. So this is in short the information about the system, and you can go then here on the area where an entry, login is provided. You create your username and your password, and you make your entry into the system in a special sector of the system, and can upload your text, your examples, your description of your new example, and allocate it to a certain category, and then you will get some information back from the editorial team within a short time and saying, okay, we are missing this and that. You are required to have some entries anyway. If you are not only with the login, this is a normal thing, but also with the description of the example, there should be some basic entries. Otherwise, it could not be uploaded or could not be processed anymore. But this is not too complicated. It's rather easy. And myself, my name is, I didn't introduce myself. My name is Karl Meinecke from BVDM. And I'm giving this presentation together with Thomas Struckmeier, but he is not available right now. So we do it in a changing modus. And if you have some questions, additional questions, you can contact me by email and get some response on these questions. And right now is showing up one of the key persons of this system and of this development, which is Professor Gunther Hübner from Stuttgart Media University, and he is also very much involved in that particular part of the input and the preparation of examples, and he is giving us a lot of support at this point, also with technical questions and with technical advice. So we are very confident that we will continue with this project in a successful way. I don't know whether you have some comments on what we are doing right now, or maybe you have still some 10-15 minutes we can have a discussion, or your questions from your side. Otherwise, I would stop here with the presentation.